Okay, here we are at the Calvary Cemetery in Chicopee, Massachusetts. We're going through the various sections of this beautiful cemetery. We're now in the baby section, and it's called Holy Innocents. And most baby sections in most Catholic cemeteries are called that. Now, what do I mean by baby section? Why is it a separate section? Well, it turns out that if you're not baptized and you're an infant, then they're going to have a special place for you, usually in the back left part of the cemetery. And yes, they're back here. Now, if you actually go examine the stones, something peculiar happens. So if you go in and examine any of the stones, there seems to be adults mixed in with children, which is fine. They did not baptize the adults and put them back here too. No. What really happened was this. Sure, the baby section back here, most of the babies do not have stones. Okay, so but some do. So if you walk through, you see some very young children, a few months old, a year old. They were never baptized, and that's what they have to be by definition of the Catholic dogma. They have to be baptized in a separate section, buried in a separate section of a cemetery. Now, what are the adults doing back here? This is where I'm going to point the camera. And this whole section over here used to have these little bit of adult stones inside of it. They had too much water problems back here. Plus, they started a cremation garden back here, the Old Saints cremation garden. Then they wanted to have this garden without stones, and so since they have water problems and the stones are very sparse anyways, they took them off the back section and they put them all in the baby section. And so it doesn't matter, it kind of fills in the baby section with some adults. And so you have a mixture of non-baptized babies and adults that were baptized but were in the potter's field and pauper's graves. Very, very mixed. Now, there's to the side, there's more open space all the way up to those dirt mounds. What is that? Well, again, that's outside of the consecrated part of the cemetery. It's where more non-baptized people can be placed at any time. And one of our stops, I'm going to show you another person that fits that, kind of, and I'll explain why. So thank you for coming on this stop at the Calvary Cemetery.